ಅವರಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾವ ನಾಟಕ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏರ್ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರದೀಪೇಶ್ವರ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಕೊಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರದೀಪ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಮುರ್ದಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಳಪಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸುದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸಿಬಿಐ SIT ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೆಯಲಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಈಗ ಸದನವನ್ನು
What you saw just now was a ruckus in the assembly. The chaos, the blame game, acquisitions, sometimes things do go out of hand. But there's one person who bears it all and moderates the situation, controls the petitions and goes through all the drama inside the assembly. And that is the speaker. This interview will be a political one where we'll know what goes in speaker's mind when all the chaos happens inside the assembly session. I welcome UT Khader and let's talk to him and understand how he deals with all this in his day-to-day assembly sessions. Sir, you're sitting on one of the powerful seats of Karnataka as a speaker. How does it feel to manage the pressure on the hot seat?
No, I'm very happy to sit in the constitutionally recognized a respectable chair in the Vidhana Soudha as the Speaker of Karnataka Assembly. And it's not a hot seat also. It is a very respectful seat. And I work according to that, and I'm very happy to sit and work on the chair.
Sir, you are known for being a calm and soft-natured person. When the kind of unrest and loud debates that take place in the assembly, do you lose your patience?
No, I do. Usually, I don't lose patience because assembly ruckus and all others will be matter of 5 to 10 minutes. At that time, we should not panic. We should be calm and quiet. Automatically, they will come on track again. Again, we take it forward. That is the prime duty of the speaker. When the opposition and when the ruling party, they lose their patience, when they become ruckus, me sitting in the chair, if I also become impatient, then the problem won't get solved. It's a time where the speaker will be cool, patient, watch, then decide and diffuse the tension within the assembly. That is my primary duty and I'm doing it.
Okay. Sir, what is the mantra to keep our Karnataka Speaker UT Khader calm and focused?
No, it's one is the from long time it's an experience. Second thing is I have come to know only calmness and patience will solve the problem, and only calmness and patience within us will keep us happy. Me losing my patience, even I won't be happy, and my assembly also won't be happy.
So, as a politician, you were holding big portfolios in Karnataka and you would always be in action and have done your job sincerely. Do you miss that action being a speaker right now?
Yes, I miss those action as a MLA or as a minister. But I enjoy this position also because my way of doing my work is whatever responsibility I get, I should sit there and do the work correctly. Once I sit there, then no looking back on that this side. If I sit on the chair and I see there's other position chair, I should have been there, why I'm here, then I can't do my work. Now I'm sitting in the chair, whatever position I get, I will do sincerely without any sadness or with I should have been there, I should have been near. So sitting in the chair, do my duty correctly will keep us happy, and that the respect for the chair also will be increased.
Sir, we saw you raising your voice a couple of times in the assembly. How much Has it changed the calm and soft-natured Speaker UT Khader?
I am raising my voice because I want to help my MLAs because they can't hear sometimes. So they have to hear my voice, no? So I have to, due to that, I raise my voice.
So, what's a message to your students? Since you are the speaker, and if I put it in a simple terms, you as a principal or HOD, how do you see the behavior of your students in the assembly?
Okay, the students' behavior is very good, average. Sometimes they get impatient, calmness is not there, and they forget their responsibility, and with the ferocious and with the impatient, they'll be talking. So I tell each and everyone, when you're coming inside the assembly, come calm and quiet. Second thing is, listen what others say. A good leader should always have a quality to listening to others. Let him tell bad thing or let him tell good things. First listen. Then you clarify whatever the issue is there. So I always say the ruling party should have patience to listen to the allegations or good things or whatever the opposition talks. And the opposition people or the members who are talking also, debating also, should talk or debate in such a way that the ruling members doesn't get hurt or they are not provoked to get up and talk. This should be managed by both of them. But protest should be there. Protest is the bread and butter of the opposition. If they don't protest, they can't survive. Managing this protest is a duty of the government. And managing these two people is my duty.
So, what's a message to the ruling party and opposition party leaders?
Ruling party, both the party within the assembly, I tell each and everyone, within the assembly, discuss, debate, argue on behalf of the people and behalf of the state, whatever the little issue be there. Don't get into personal, don't get into politicize on each and everything. Whatever you shout or scream and whatever you discuss, if it's out of the development issues, out of the concern of the people of the state, whatever you political you take, not even one note will be increased. People are watching you. So let it be a healthy discussion, discuss on the behalf of the people, behalf of the state. So silent voters will appreciate you always.
Yes, sir, you rightly said people are watching. So, major issues of Karnataka inside the assembly have not been taken yet. Don't you think all should join together and find solutions to the issues like dengue, floods, and many others in Karnataka?
See, after a long time session is called. So many days political issue, that issue, all discussions are within the minds of the opposition, ruling and all the members. Now all that little been, the 1 week of the discussion has all neutralized. I'm sure the entire next week will be have a healthy discussion. As you say, the major issues which is the need of the hour to be discussed will be discussed and the solution will be given by the government for that.
So my last question, what future plans can the people of Karnataka expect from you for Vidhana Soudha?
Say regarding Vidhana Soudha, I sit and think a lot of changes should be done. But this floor is only under me. Whatever I developed is under my control, where I can take my own decision. Once it is away, it is the PWD, it is the DPR, the finance department and government to take a call. And along with this, so a regular meeting was done. I want to be maintain the cleanliness and the paintings, how we maintain and we have painted the Mysore Palace. The same way should be, Vidhana also should have been taken care of. This place also. How we take, because that also is an antique building. But it's so beautiful, the paintings, the wall posters or photos, Yes, even we can do. We can educate the children, those who come here with different photos and different incident of history what of the Karnataka and the state. And I wish so. Then I will discuss with CM in the days to come.
Thank you very much, sir, for talking to Daily Salar Digital. Well, that was UT Khader, Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly, having a candid conversation with Daily Salar Digital. If you like the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe the channel. And let's wait and watch the upcoming days of Karnataka Legislative Assembly session. As the Speaker said, people are watching.